Hey everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these gooey chocolate chip cookie bars. The full recipe will be in the description below, and you can find the printable recipe as well as tons of other delicious recipes over on MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients you will need for these cookie bars. 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 to 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups of softened butter, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. Begin by adding the flour, salt, and baking soda to a mixing bowl. Whisk the dry ingredients together, then set aside. In the bowl of a stand mixer or with a hand mixer, add the softened butter, white sugar, and brown sugar. Beat them together until they are light and fluffy. Mix in the eggs, followed by the vanilla extract. Now add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and beat until combined. Next, stir in the chocolate chips. Get a 9 by 13 baking dish and add a piece of parchment paper. Place the cookie dough in the pan and spread it with a spatula. Bake the chocolate chip cookie bars at 325 degrees for 28 to 30 minutes, or until the edges begin to brown and the center is set. When they're done baking, remove the pan from the oven and place on a cooling rack. Allow the cookies to cool before cutting and serving. I added these fun Mickey Mouse shaped chocolate chips to the cookie bars as soon as I took them out of the oven. When the cookie bars have cooled completely, use a knife to loosen the edges. Grab each side of the parchment paper, then lift the cookie out of the pan. Use a large knife to cut the edges off of each side. Then cut the cookie into square or rectangular shaped bars. I hope you enjoy these delicious chocolate chip cookie bars. For instructions on how to make Mickey Mouse shaped chocolate chips, check out my video coming soon. Remember that the recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. See you next time!